Hello there RCModelReviews viewers, and today I've got something here which I just picked up from China. It's a little power supply, one of these little adjustable power supplies. Here we go, see that? There's your current, there's your voltage. It has a number of preset voltage levels, 1.4, 3.5, 4.7, 5.8, 6.9. I have no idea why. And then it has a variable control here, so we can go right up to 15 volts or right down to 0 volts. As well as that control there is a fine control here which lets us just modify the voltage by a much smaller amount. So when you're fine tuning into a particular voltage setting. Now this, I have got my own power supply, but it's getting a bit dodgy. I thought, well, instead of wasting time building one, I'll just buy one of these Chinese ones. And it came in from China incredibly quick. Ordered it from a company called GoodLuckBuy.com, typical Chinese name. Ordered this product, and it arrived in about a week, and that's via Hong Kong Post or by China Post registered mail, which is pretty damn good. Total price all up about 65 bucks, I think. So that's cheap. I can't build a power supply like this with a case and the LED displays for that sort of money, so why not just buy one, which is what I did. Also has adjustable current limiting here, so it's not really flash. It's not a precision laboratory unit, but it's for the kind of work that the average hobbyist is likely to do. It's probably not a bad little system, but a couple of things to watch. It arrived in a box that was pretty beat up, and when I had a look at this on the back here. It's been kicked around by the Chinese soccer team, like most stuff out of China is, and I found that the case is all dinged in real badly here, but it didn't stop it from working, obviously. But they've obviously dropped it from a great height, you know, huge height, and on the front there was a piece of polystyrene which sort of protected the knobs, but this one here is a little bit bent and it's a bit stiff, but it still works. So for 65 bucks I'm quite happy. It also came with a series of leads which have your basic banana plugs to go into the power supply, and a whole set of little things. You've got the little crocodile clips, of course, and then these little micro clips for hooking onto your circuit boards or your little pins to supply power. So if you're really into any kind of amateur electronics, playing around with electronics, then I'd say this is probably not a bad little buy for your money. And I'll put a link against this video and on the website so you can see where I got it from. I'm going to buy some more stuff from this company, this GoodLuckBuy company, see how well they work out. Now, my dealings with DLXL, I'll tell you about those fairly soon, and the product I got from them was okay, but similarly it was poorly packaged, although it had no damage. Best results so far from a crowd called MIB Instruments, and they have an eBay store. I'll show you how their package looked when I got it and what was inside in a future video. But for now, if you need a power supply from 0 to 15 volts with up to 2 amps of power, and which is easily adjustable, and which is strong enough to survive an assault by the Chinese soccer team, then this might be worth looking at.